So hello everybody, we are dealing with this interesting problem from S.S. Krotov, Science for Everyone, but as I always say that this book is on a tougher side, it is not for everyone. So let's get started with the problem. The problem is stating two small balls of the same size and the mass m1 and m2, where m1 is greater than m2, are tied by a thin weightless thread and dropped from a balloon. Determine the tension of the thread during the flight after the motion of the ball has become steady state. So in this question we also need to consider air resistance. So I am adding over here for people who are trying to solve on their own. Consider air resistance, and now if you want to solve this problem on your own, you can give a pause, think of a proper FBD, write an equation and solve it, or otherwise continue watching for the solution. So let's get started. So the first thing that we are going to understand is that if we consider these two balls which is stated in the problem, so the problem is stating we have two balls of mass m1 and m2. So m1 is greater than m2, so I am drawing m1 here, m2 here, and they are connected by a weightless thread. So they are connected by a weightless thread, and now the problem is stating we need to calculate the tension in the thread when it is attained steady state. So when we say steady state is reached, we say that the system is falling with constant velocity. We also say that the drag force acts opposite to the direction of velocity. So now if we draw FBD of each ball, so we say that this is ball M2. So the weight of the M2 is in the downward direction. As it is falling with a velocity v, a drag force will act in the upper direction, and tension in the string is in this direction. And similarly, if we draw FBD of M1, so for M1 we can say that the weight M1g is in the downward direction. As it is moving in the downward direction, a drag force will act in the upper direction. Drag force always acts opposite to the direction of velocity, and tension on this ball will act in the upper direction. So this is the FBD. So if we take the sum of tension T and T on the either side, it will sum to become 0, that is, it is an example of internal force. Now if we say that net force on each of the ball is 0 because in the steady state they are moving with constant velocity, so we can say force in the upper direction FD and force in the downward direction minus T minus M2G is equal to 0, and this is the first equation that we have. Similarly, if we write an equation for this, then we say Fd plus T minus M1G is equal to 0, and this is the second equation that we have. So if we add the two expressions, then we can calculate for Fd or drag force. So on adding the two expressions, we get drag force Fd minus of M1 plus M2G is equal to 0. So twice of Fd is equal to this. So drag force can be written as M1 plus M2 G divided by 2. But the problem is asking us to calculate tensional force. So if we substitute the value of Fd in any of the equation, so therefore if we substitute in second equation, we get M1 plus M2G by 2 plus T minus M1G is equal to 0, and from here if we solve for T, then we can write it as twice of M1G minus M1 plus M2G by 2, and hence over here we can say that T equal to 2 M1G minus M1G or M1G minus M2G, that is M1 minus M2G divided by 2. So this is the expression for tensional force that we have, and the final answer for this particular problem which we are looking for. So this is the final answer that we have for this particular problem. So it is a very simple problem. The problem becomes difficult only when you Don't consider drag force while drawing the FBD, since it is dropped from a balloon and the problem is not stating anything else or hinting towards drag force. This is the only hint which is stated where we consider that we need to consider drag force so as to attain a steady state condition, and drag force will always act opposite to the direction of velocity. So if you enjoy watching such videos, continue to watch the channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more such content.